Hi everyone, I'm Mama J and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making hominy black bean salad, a southwestern inspired, refreshing summer side dish that is perfect for those who love to eat spicy. Let's get started. First, to a large mixing bowl, add the olive oil, black pepper, oregano, cumin, coriander, chipotle powder, paprika, and lime juice. Next, we'll grate the garlic into the bowl and whisk everything to combine. Set the dressing aside while cutting the vegetables. For the vegetables, deseed and dice a large cucumber. Next, dice the pepper. I have a beautiful cubanelle here, but use any sweet pepper you like. Normally I would use poblano, but I thought I'd give these a try. Now we'll dice the jalapeños. I'm using 2, but use less if you prefer, or more, but don't forget to adjust the quantity of your sweet pepper. Next, we'll dice an onion. Use any onion you like here. I'm using white because it fits more in that southwestern flavor profile. But I've also used red onion and Vidalia in this recipe, and they were just as delicious. Now we'll dice the tomatoes. I always have these mixed color cherry and grape tomatoes in my fridge, but use any ripe juicy tomato that you prefer. And finally, roughly chop a bunch of cilantro. With the vegetables chopped, add the salt to the dressing and stir. Add all the vegetables and cilantro into the dressing and give it a good mix. Now add the hominy and beans and give everything a good coating with the dressing. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, but overnight would be better. When ready to serve, take a taste for salt and add if necessary. Mine needed a little more. Serve this with your favorite accompaniment and enjoy. I'm having mine with something that I just might be showing you later in the week. I really enjoy this when the weather is hot. It has enough body from the beans and hominy to make you feel satisfied without being overfilling, and the fresh vegetables and citrus dressing make this a very refreshing side dish indeed. I want to thank you all for joining me, and if you enjoyed this, hit that thumbs up and let me know.